This video explains how we can use the Whiteboard app in Microsoft Office. So go to office.com and then type Whiteboard. Then you will be taken to the Whiteboard website. It says whiteboard.microsoft.com. So with the help of Whiteboard, what you can do is you can draw on the whiteboard different shapes and then explain the things. For example, let us create a new whiteboard here, and it is just like a digital whiteboard, we can call it. You can use different types of pencils, different colors, and there is also got eraser as well. You can also move the canvas tool as well, so like that. And if you want to delete something, just use this eraser. You can change the pens. Let's say you want to explain this client and server model, just draw it like this. This is the client, this is the server, and this client sends the request, server sends the response. So something like that. You can explain your architecture diagrams as well in here. It is still in the new initial stages. It is not full-fledged product, I will call it, because it doesn't allow lots of flexibilities in terms of how you write the text in here. But still, I think it is going to be one of the best products from Microsoft in coming future. So that's it in this video. Thanks for watching this video.